Um, so today's Ojibwe phrase of the day is Gichi Manidoo, Nin Ayan, GAAA-WAABAABIGANIKAAG. Great Spirit, I have a question. So if you have a question, this is what you can do. Go out, put your tobacco out, and just say, hey, Gichi Manidoo, Nin Ayan, GAAA-WAABAABIGANIKAAG. I have a question. And then ask your question. And wait, the answers will be revealed to you.
So I wrote a song about Leech Lake. How to say it in a Ojibwe. GAAZAGASKWAAJIMEKAAG. GAAZAGASKWAAJIMEKAAG. It's fun when you sing it. Now I'm gonna bring it. GAAZAGASKWAAJIMEKAAG. 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 Jamaica, GAAZAGASKWAAJIMEKAAG. Jamaica, GAAZAGASKWAAJ. Jamaica, GAAZAGASKWAAJ. Jamaica. Now, so you think you got it now? To say Leech Lake in a Ojibwe, you say GAAZAGASKWAAJIMEKAAG. That's all there is to it. In a Ojibwe, we say GAAZAGASKWAAJIMEKAAG. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. GAAZAGASKWAAJIMEKAAG. Na 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 na. GAAZAGASKWAAJIMEKAAG. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Now you know how to say in Ojibwe. Leech Lake, oh yeah. We can say Leech Lake in Ojibwe. GAAZAGASKWAAJIMEKAAG, NINDONJIBAA. Leech Lake is where I'm from. And that's how you say it in Ojibwe. All right. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO.
So I have a couple of questions. Gichi Manidoo, Nin Ayan, GAAA-WAABAABIGANIKAAG. Great Spirit, I have a question. How come how come they say the earth spins at 1,000 miles an hour at the equator? How come I can't just get in a balloon and go up a few, go up there a little ways and wait like an hour and then land 100 miles away? You ever wonder about that?
Yeah, that's weird. Spend all your time waiting for that second chance, for a break that would make it okay. There's always some reason to feel not good enough, and it's hard at the end of the day. I need some distraction, oh beautiful release. Memories seep from my veins, let me be empty, oh and weightless, and maybe I'll find some peace tonight. We all
of the angel.
Fly away from here, from the dark, cold hotel room, in the endless mist that you feel. You pulled from the wreckage of your silent reverie. You're in the arms of the angel. May you find some comfort here. Hey everybody, won't you be an angel to these animals? But if you want to support the show, you can click the link and become a Patreon supporter. And Patreon supporters get, for $5 a month, you get this cartoon by Michael Lyons. And for $10 a month, you can get this, like, snow on skin. And it's a BOOZHOO coffee table book. And, otherwise, leave us a tip on PayPal. No. All right. In the arms of the angel, fly away from here, from this dark, cold hotel room, and the endlessness that you feel. You're pulled from the wreckage of your silent reverie. You're in the arms of the angel. May you find some comfort here.
Oh,
That was beautiful.
yeah.
And by the way, I'm not really Sarah McLachlan. Whatever her name was.
How come, if the Earth is spinning at 1,000 miles an hour at the equator, how come when you fly against the spin, it doesn't take any less time to get there? Like if you fly from, Los Angeles to New York, it takes the same amount of time as if you fly from New York to Los Angeles. Shouldn't it be way shorter when you're going against the spin? GAA-WAABAABIGANIKAAG, 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 NINDONJIBAA, yeah. GAA-WAABAABIGANIKAAG, 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 NINDONJIBAA, GAA-WAABAABIGANIKAAG, GAA-WAABAABIGANIKAAG, NINDONJIBAA.
Hey.
GAA-WAABAABIGANIKAAG, NINDONJIBAA. White Earth is where I'm from. GAA-WAABAABIGANIKAAG, White Earth, or the place where there's an abundance of white clay. Gichi Manidoo, Ninayan, GAAA-WAABAABIGANIKAAG. Great Spirit, I have a question. How come when the moon, the Deepak Jesus, flies in front of the sun, the Jesus, during a lunar eclipse, how come they look like they're the exact same size? I mean, it's like it's like there's 2 quarters right there with machine shot precision. It looks like they're the same size. But the scientists, they tell us, no. We know for sure how far the sun is away and how big it is. They say it's 400 times bigger than the moon and 400 times farther away. But it doesn't look like that.
How's it going, Gene?
And welcome to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I'm happy to be here with you today to speak Ojibwe and learn about the language and culture.
Na, 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 na.
Oh, wow! That's what I'm talking about.
Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons.
The one and the only. Gichi Manidoo. NINDONJIBAA. Great Spirit, I have a question. How come when you take a compass anywhere in the world and you follow it north, you'll end up at the North Pole, and if you look up, you'll see the North Star. You'll see the GAAA-WAABAABIGANIKAAG, as we say it in Ojibwe. How come when you look up at that star, it doesn't move? And all the other stars move around it, year after year. I mean, I'd kind of understand it if they were telling us we were going straight up, but we're supposed to be spinning and then moving around the sun. So how come the stars always, I mean, they spin around the North Star, but like the constellations, I mean, that don't make no sense. Not bad for first thing in the morning. Oh, this reminds me of high school. This is Cindy Lauper. You with the sad eyes, don't be discouraged, oh I realize it's hard to take courage in a world full of people. You can lose sight of it all, and the darkness inside you makes you feel so small. But I've seen your true colors shining through. I've seen your true colors, and that's why I love you. Don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. True colors, beautiful, like a rainbow. Show me a smile then. Don't be unhappy, I can't remember when I last saw you laughing. If this world makes you crazy and you've taken all you can bear, you call me up because you know I'll be there. I've seen your true colors shining through. I've seen your true colors, and that's why I love you. Don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. True colors, beautiful, like a rainbow.
Oh, what? Well, everybody, hope hope you like the show. Just want to remind you, if you did like the show, give us a thumbs up. And if you'd like to support the show, meaning Michael, if you'd like to give him some junia, some money, you can click the link to PayPal or Patreon. And let's see, what else? Oh, and if you'd like to order some children's books in the Ojibwe language, you can always click the link to Amazon.com. And Michael Lyons has some children's books and some coloring books and some stuff like that. All right. Well, having said that, I am Natasha. This is Nana Boozhoo.
Boozhoo.
And I will see you again. GAAWAABAABIGANIKAAG.
Minawa.
Oh, what?
Oh, what? Okay. Think I'm going out of my head.
Oh, yeah. Somebody called out the doctor. The doctor of love. Oh. Kisses are so tough. I was thinking about love. You need my love, baby, oh so bad. You're not the only one I ever had now. And if I say I wanna set you free, don't you know you'll be in misery? You know why? Call me Dr. Love. They call me Dr. Love. Calling Dr. Love. I am a doctor of love. Dr. Love. And even though I'm full of sin, in the end you let me in. You let me through, there's nothing you can do. You need my love and don't you know it's true. So answer please, get on your knees. There are no bills, there are no fees. Baby, I know what your problem is. The first step of the cure is a kiss. The greatest band in the world. Call me Dr. Love. They call me Dr. Love. Calling Dr. Love. I am a doctor of love. Dr. Love. 'Cause I am a doctor of love. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. It's so Paul
What do you think,
Stanley.
Natasha?
Yeah.
What should we do next? One?
Let's do a love song. Yeah. How about Forever? There we go. I like love songs. You know, if I was on a deserted island, I would definitely get this album.
Oh yeah,
I
Gotta tell you what I'm feeling inside.
I could lie to myself, but it's true.
Uh-huh.
There's no denying when I look in your eyes. Girl, I'm out of my head over you.
Aww.
I lived so long believing all of this lies. But everything about you is telling me this time it's forever. This time I know it, there's no doubt in my mind. Forever. Until my life is through, girl, I'll be loving you forever.
Yeah. Oh.
That's another one of those songs with 3-part harmony. This is like a barbershop quartet. Gichi, Manidoo. Let's see what else we have. How come we have to have a rocket to get off the planet? Why can't we just take a plane and just fly it up and just don't dip it down every mile or whatever they do? How come you can't just fly it straight off the planet into the moon? Gichi Manidoo. How come none of this stuff makes sense to me anymore? I don't know. If you know, please leave a message. I'd really like to know what you think. Anything? You got any questions like that?
Let me think. How come... Well, you kind of said it. How come planes... How do they land on a spinning ball?
Yeah. How come, when you're landing and the earth is spinning real fast? I don't know. How does that work? Anyway. Well, hey, these are just some questions. These are just some, Gogwaden, we win. This is a question I have for Gichi Manidoo. Gichi Manidoo, we do go wishin'. Help me. Help me to understand.